Namaste, people. I'm back with another one. So, lena kuzobe kuyi-video yokugcina where nginifundisa. Then the next one ngizobe ngikhuluma nge-trading plan, the importance of i-trading plan and ukujoyina lama-trades wakho. So this is the last video where I'll be teaching. Yeah. Lana kule video le ngizobe ngihlanganisa yonke into, ngi-explainer indlela engitrader ngayo. Indlela engitrader ngayo, ukuthi like i-liquidity isebenzisana kanjani nama-fair value gap, like ama-previous day highs nani. So this is where I'm putting everything together kahle kahle. To be honest, I'm enjoying making these videos, guys. I really am. Bengazi ukuthi ngizoyi-enjoya, but then I'm enjoying. So sesizoya ku-part 2 immediately after ngiceda ngale ye-trading plan and ukujournala. Ngizobe sengingena ku-part 2 yalama video lawo, but u-part 2 angeke abe mude nje, angeke kube ama-video amaningi njengalawo. So kuyo ku-part 2 kuzobe kuba ama-video ngiyacabanga 5 or 6, because ngizobe ngi-explainer market structure, power of 3, ama-points of interest, nokunye nje. So lapho ngizobe sengiveza-ke i-trading view. So bese siya kuma-charts straight, sesiveza ama-candlesticks nani. So I hope ni-ready, guys, because like I'm excited because like niya-viewer and lana angakavezi i-chart, so mase ngiveza i-chart kuzoba fun, more fun, because ngizobe sengicabanga ukuthi ngikhuluma ngani, and ngale angeke ngibele busy ngisho ukuthi yini i-fair value gap na. I'll just talk as if like ngikhuluma nabantu abaziyo into engiyenzayo, ngiyathola, because ngicale ngale kuqala, ngicale ngale series le kuqala, ngiyathola. So let me just get to it. So kule video le singasho ukuthi i-topic yakhona it's putting it all together. Okay, so lama video lawa they just became like a mini course, i-course nyana ungayimama mawuqala ukufunda i-forex. So mawungacala la aqala khona ama-video wami bese uze nawo ubuye uzobona ukuthi like i-course yokufundisa umuntu ongakhona ukutrader i-forex, because ngicale nga-explain ukuthi yini i-forex, yini izinto esizithola ku-forex. So manje sengi-explain i-strategy sokutrader, nathola. Bengazi ukuthi izoba so nami lento le, but then it's like this. So yonke into isama up to a simple model, like the model le engizoyiveza la, nayithola. So u-ICT ubizwa nge-power of 3. ICT, I keep mentioning u-ICT, guys. Akusiyi mentor yami, akasiyi mentor yami I1, like ngine-information yama-mentors abhaya, ne, but u-ICT yena like uyenze yonke lento le yaba simple, like wangiclearela yonke into bekunama-question ngayo. So ngingasho ukuthi uye i-real mentor yami, ngoba laba abanye bebangayikhulumi straight into akamele bayikhulume, yayithola. I hope niyangi-understand. So ICT yena like akazange wafihla nix. Akafihlanga nix, uyisho the way ingakhona, so nami ingakho ngifundisa the way ingakhona lento le, yayithola. So into abayifihlayo abo-fair value gap bayazifihla lezo zinto lezo. Mangingabheka ama-traders amaningi kahle kahle mangabe niyawabukela, bayayifihla i-fair value gap kabuhlungu. So asazi. Let me just start. So everything sums up everything sums up to one simple model. Everything sums up to a simple model. So njengoba bengisho ICT uyibiza nge-power of 3. We can say i-liquidity run or i-power of 3. Ngiyathola. Nami ngibiza I call it liquidity run or power of 3. PO3. So i-liquidity run or i-power of 3 ifomeka njalo because ama-candlesticks ayafana guys. I-candlestick laku-1 hour liyafana ne-candlestick laku-1 minute. Like candlestick laku-daily liyafana ne-candlestick laku-4 hour or laku-3 minutes. Ngiyayithola because i-candlestick i-candlestick into i-candlestick. So kungaba i-candlestick le-candlestick leli kungaba i-candlestick laku-1 minute, kungaba i-candlestick laku-daily, kungaba i-candlestick laku-4 hour, i-candlestick kahle kahle. So leyo nto mina isho ukuthini? Uma ninga-understand-a leyo nto leyo like ukuthi ama-candlesticks afomeka ngokufana, kusho ukuthi njengoba ama-candlesticks afomeka ngokufana almost wonke kahle kahle njengoba afomeka ngokufana kusho ukuthi khona ama-pattern a-repeat-ayo njengoba nama-candlesticks alibele a-repeat-a. So leyo pattern e-repeat-ayo siyibiza ngani? Liquidity run noma yini i-power of 3 noma yini i-AMD, accumulation manipulation distribution. Ngiyayithola. So almost every candlestick we see esiwabonayo they form ngale sequence le. We see forms in the power of 3 sequence. Ngiyathemba isilungu sami si-right, yes? Sequence. So le sequence le power of 3 manikhumbula kahle ngikhulumile ngayo ukuthi yini i-accumulation manipulation then kube yini distribution. Ngiyayithola kahle kahle la i-market yona imuva ngani nge-flow, i-institutional order flow. So ungabhala lento phansi angazi ukuphi as important lento engizoyibhala manje. This is important balekile kakhulu ukuthi we are strictly si-trade kuphela i-market flow, as-trade enye into. Ngiyayithola. We are strictly trading the market flow. Mangabe nikhumbula kahle i-market flow ngithe yiyo le accumulation manipulation distribution or i-power of 3, the market flow. So le market flow le i-create-wa i-algorithm. If nayazi algorithm, like algorithm is like something that repeats or into ehamba nge-sequence and iyaphindaphinda, ihamba nge-sequence iyaphindaphinda. Indlela easy yokuyiveza angazi nayazi i-Rubik's Cube. Uma ufuna ukusolve i-Rubik's Cube kumele ube ne-algorithm yokusolva leyo Rubik's Cube leyo. Ngiyathola. So we are strictly trading in the market flow. I-market flow yale algorithm, hhayi enye into, not ama-trend lines, not ama-indicators, asiyi-trade nalento oyifaka kuma-screens wakho, kuma-charts wakho, not even what you draw on your chart, what we draw on our charts. Because lento esizidrawayo, ama-trend line, ama-indicator esizifakayo, i-market ayinandaba nazo nayo, i-price kahle kahle ayinandaba nazo zonke lezo zinto lezo. Yona izihambela, ayizitradeli, izihambela according to i-market flow yayo, i-flow yayo, so which is iya-accumulator. So iyenzani? Iya-accumulator, accumulation. Mayiceda uku-accumulator yenzeni? I-manipulate, manipulation. Then after uku-manipulate yenzeni? Distribution. So sinani? Sine-accumulation, then isuke yenzeni? I-manipulate, then mayiceda uku-manipulate isuke yenzeni? E-distribute. Then immediately mayiceda uku-distribute izoyenzeni? Izo-accumulate. So yiyo le market flow yethu le. The market flow imuva kayo i-market, repeating the same thing over and over and over and over and over and over and over until amen. Niyayithola? So yiyo le market flow yethu, singasho la market flow. Niyayithola? Okay, so i-market flow njengoba ngisho ukuthi yiyo le, i-divided into two. Khona i-market flow eyisa i-market phezulu, khona eyisa i-market phansi. Niyayithola? Singasho kanjalo. I think ngicale ngenze so masine accumulation, so okay, so let's say sine accumulation, khona angithi ngithi it sums up to a simple model. So khona i-bearish model, so i-bearish model, i-market izocale i-accumulate. So nibambe lento, sometimes i-market accumulate like kaso, ne? Sometimes ingavele ithi mayi-accumulate yenze into so bese icale i-manipulate. Nayithola? Bese mayiceda uku-manipulate bese iya-distribute. Into engizama ukuyisho ukuthi i-accumulation sometimes akubi ama-candlesticks amaningi, kunokuba i-candlestick eli-one ele-doji. Nayithola? Because i-doji ngokwayo yona i-accumulation candlestick, not sticks, into eso. or into so, ngayithola. Lezi zinto zoyi-two ziyi-accumulation ngokwazo, so I hope ngimake sense. Okay, so nayi accumulation yethu ngiyazama. Nayi accumulation yethu, so siyazi ukuthi i-price izoya phansi. So accumulation usually uzoyithola during ini let's say ma-London pairs la, London pairs, lama pairs wa-trade during i-London like abo-GBP what ne. Okay, so sinalento leso, so lana sinama equal highs angisho, equal highs nalama equal lows. Sizothi Asian what consolidation, right? Then i-market i-break la phansi and take out the sell side, yeah. Then ibuye phezulu and take out the buy side on a smaller time frame or smaller scale. Then let's say this market previous day high, so this is our previous day high, then nani the previous day low, or angithi previous day high siyazi ukuthi yini, buy side liquidity, then previous day low siyazi ukuthi yini, i-sell side liquidity, ne. I-dealing range yethu kahle kahle, so i-dealing range sekwenye information le. Then i-market siya-manipulate, nayithola, then sibe nani, market structure shift la. So lento yethu njengoba bengishilo on ama-previous videos ukuthi i-manipulation yethu izoyenzeka during the next session or during the next session, or let's say pre-London session, nayithola. So nayi market structure shift yenzeka nini, manipulation le, so sithi London manipulation ne, London ingayenzeka pre-London before kuzovula i-London session. Then lana kamele wazi ukuthi okay kune-impulsive move leg, kuyo phakathi ungathola ini, i-IFVG noma uthole i-fair value gap, FVG, noma uthole ini, or order block, nayithola la kule writing le, kule leg le, this impulsive move le. So this is where you'll get your IFVG, fair value gap, or order block. Then you enter, you execute your trade la, khona la, ne, entry. Then utargeta ini, you can target this low or i-previous day low, nayithola. So sizotarget i-previous day low. So lena yini, i-distribution yethu le, distribution. So usually i-distribution izoyenzeka during in New York, and siyazi ukuthi i-New York time mayivula or after seyivulile izobe seyihlangane nani ne-London session because zoyi-two zizobe ziyenzeni zivuliwe, uyayithola. So i-distribution yethu ama-trades wethu azoba kayi, uyayithola, kuzobe kuyinto ekayo for i-bearish, uyayithola. Then mangiveza using candlestick, so sine previous day high, hayibo, sine previous day high, sibe ne previous day low, right? So previous day high, then previous day low. So i-candlestick lethu lizoba njani? So leli la opena because i-sell candlestick angisho, so liya opena bese li-manipulate then liya distribute. Hallelujah, wololo, inganekwane, bese liya distribute, ngilithola. So kuzoba into so i-bearish candlestick kuzoba kayo, kusho ukuthi wena uzobe u-execute la entry yakho, entry for i-daily. Let's say sisebenzisa i-daily candlestick, then i-target yakho izobe la, TP, target yakho izobe la. So i-entry yakho ila, target yakho izobe la, uyayithola. So iyo le i-bearish model, uyayithola. Then siye ku-bullish model ke. So la before ngiya ku-bullish model, so sinani, sine liquidity nayi, i-buy side liquidity nayi yokuqala, nayi yokwesithu, i-cleared i-buy side, nayi sell side liquidity yokuqala, nayi yokwesithu, nawo a-cleared. So i-price kahle kahle iyenzani, i-goal yayo uku-clear-a i-liquidity. So njengoba bengisho ukuthi every time ma u-expect ukuthi i-move yakho ibe i-bearish, kumele u-expect-e ini, a move up kuqala before the move down. So nayi into eyenzekile la. So kusho ukuthi njengoba sesiya ku-bullish, kumele u-expect-e a move down before i-market yenzani, iya phezulu. I hope ngiyazwakala. So for i-bullish model, for yona, let's say sibheka ama-New York pairs. So sizoba nani ne-accumulation, so accumulation, manipulation, then ya distribute, ne? So lana kunani, previous day high, bese sibe nani, previous day low. Okay, let me just do this. Anyway, previous day low, previous day high. Ngingakhohlwa previous day high, ehleka ama-liquidity lawa high ayini, ama-buy side liquidity, lawa phansi ama-sell side. So lana sine equal highs, then lana ama-equal lows. So lena i-consolidation during London consolidation, ne? Then sibe ne-manipulation, so sithi i-pre-New York manipulation or i-New York open manipulation. Njengoba bengisho yenzeka during mayivula i-New York, So New York manipulation, ngakho akumelanga utrade immediately mayiceda kuvula i-New York, kumele utrade like a few minutes later. So because i-market iyamanipulate during leso sikhathi bese izokunikeza ama-fair value gap la, netho. So manipulation. Then kuba yini i-distribution during New York vele, distribution, ayithola. So siba ne-fair value gap noma i-IFVG, nayithola. So lento le iyenzeka ngo-3:30 p.m. Then lokhu kuyenzeka ekuseni abo-10, so singasho kanjalo 10 a.m. Then sibe nala, lokhu kuyenzeka ekuseni Asia session ngabo-7, okay iphelela la u-7 ne, so sothi ngabo-6 a.m. Then le izoyenzeka ngobani at 10 a.m. So kusho ukuthi ama-London pairs kamele wa-trade after 10, then ama-New York pairs wona kamele wa-trade after ubani o-3:30. I hope ngimake sense. Then i-candlestick lakhona kuzoba intekayo. So sine-previous day high sibe ne-previous day low, angisho. So i-candlestick malivula bese li-create i-low bese uya-execute lana, or uzo-execute lana kuphuma kuwe, then i-price iya-distribute, so sibe ne-distribution. Nayithola. So to make it bullish candle kuzoba intekayo. So maybe uzobe ungene la bese wazothatha i-profit yakho laphaya, but it doesn't mean kamele uyiholde yonke le move leyo, because sometimes nayi i-target yakho, nayithola. So ngabe uphume la as i-TP1 or i-TP2, which is this point right here. So yiyo lena-ke i-market maker, singasho ukuthi yini, i-power of 3 ne, i-power of 3 vele. So algorithm njengoba ngisasho i-follow-a le sequence le every day, because ama-candlestick or every trading day, ama-candlesticks afomeka every trading day, nayithola. So the algorithm follows, astrade i-buying pressure la guys, astrade i-selling pressure, astrade i-market flow which is created by the algorithm, nayithola. Follows the, or it creates, angazi ukuthi iyayi-create or iyayilandela, so mina ngibhala isilungu sayo. So it follows the power of 3 sequence, power of 3, or sometimes the power of 2, or power of 2 sequence. Sometimes inokumanipulate ivele i-distributing, imane inoku-accumulate ivele i-distribute, nayithola. But one day ngizoyiveza mase siyenza ama-chart, niyathola. Power of 2 or power of 3 sequence every day, every single day, every single trading day, ingakho single trading day, ingakho ama-opportunities ahlezi akhona, akudingeki ukuthi utrade every day, nayithola, every single trading day. day. I hope you understand that, guys, because lento le once sinayithola lento le kahle kahle kahle, hey, ngizobamba amanye ama-trades ahlanyana. Okay, so masidlula athi ngiveze ukuthi uyi-trader kanjani i-power of 3. Okay, before ngiya ku-power of 3, okay, thingibona, yeah, before ngiya ku-power of 3 ukuthi ngi-explain ukuthi siyi-trader kanjani i-power of 3. I think break everything down. Okay, so breaking it down to a simple 1, 2, 3 steps. Okay, yeah, so my everyday routine, breaking it down. My everyday routine yiyo le engiyifollowayo. Every time angibheka i-chart ngifollowa this what I'm going to write here. So my everyday trading routine, everyday trading routine, ngisebenzisa into esiyibiza nge-top down analysis. Method. So i-top down analysis i-process yokuthi uqale kuma-higher time frame bese ubheke ukuthi kuyenzakalani kuma-higher time frame ukuthola i-bias yakho, then ngiyehle ngiye kuma-lower time frame, like a lower time frame than the previous higher time frame. Bese ngicala ku-daily ngibheke ukuthi i-market iyenzani ku-daily for uku-check i-bias iya kuphi. Network, let's say iyabhaya and i-approach-a maybe i-fair value gap. So ngizocala ngibheke leyo nto leyo, siyabhaya ku-daily, so kusho ukuthi then ngiyayehla, i-mindset yami iyazi ukuthi okay siyabhaya ku-daily, so kusho ukuthi sizobhaya. Then ngiyayehla ngiya ku-4 hour, then ngiya-check-a ku-4 hour ukuthi i-4 hour yona yenzani. Nayithola, siyazi ukuthi i-daily iyabhaya, so yona i-4 hour yenzani currently. So sometimes ungayithola nayo i-follow the same sequence, iyabhaya, then ngiyehle ngibheke futhi ukuthi kunani, ikhona i-area of importance or i-point of interest kuyo leyo 4 hour. Uma ngabe ayikho ngiyayehla futhi ngiya ku-1 hour, then ku-1 hour maybe ngizorefine le area of importance engiyithole ku-4 hour, or ngithole entsha i-area of importance, bese nakhona ngiphinde ngiyehle futhi ngiye ku-15 minutes or ku-5 minutes noma ku-3 minutes la ngizo-execute khona ama-trades wami. So kahle kahle ngi-execute lowest time frames like 3 minutes and 5 minutes, sometimes i-1 minute. Nayithola, but ngiqala kuphi? Ku-day. Nayithola. So njengoba ngisasho, I use the top down analysis, the top down analysis to hunt my trades. So top down analysis, it is the process of starting on a higher time frame like the daily or njenge daily time frame and look for my draw on liquidity. So imarket iyaphi kahle kahle, yini eyidonsayo, iyakuphi, liquidity. Is it going to fill i-fair value gap or is it going to sweep i-old high? Nayithola into engiyi-check-ayo le. So sengiyazi ukuthi maybe iya ku-fair value gap or iyo-clear-a i-high, then ngiyadropha to a lower time frame, then I drop to a lower time frame. So kulower time frame le ngizobe ngidrophe kuyo, like the 4 hour 4 hour and i-1 hour, sometimes i-1 hour ne, or 1H or H1. La kulama time frame lawa ngizobe ngibheka ukuthi sizoya kanjani kule draw on liquidity yethu, yini ezosisa kuyo leyo draw on or i-draw on liquidity, uyayithola. So then the 4 hour and 1 hour to look for i-narrative, for the narrative, njengoba ngisho ukuthi sizoya kanjani kuyo leyo draw on liquidity, yini ezosisa kuyo leyo draw on liquidity, nayithola. Ways in which price will get to the draw on liquidity, in which price will get to the draw on liquidity, nayithola. So mase ngiyitholile leyo point leyo ukuthi kune-fair value gap ethize ezongiyisa kuyo le draw on liquidity, or kune-IFVG ezongiyisa ku-draw on liquidity, nayithola. Then ngiyadropha futhi ngiya ku-lower time frame. So once I get my narrative, I drop down further, drop ngama time frame, drop further down to lower time frames, LTF, ne, like the 15 minutes, like the 15 minutes time frame, ne. Lana ku 15 minutes ngizobe ngibheka to look for i-market maker sell model or i-market maker buy model, depending on the direction of the day, to look for market maker X, meaning sell or rebuy, ne? Market maker sell model or market maker buy model, depending on trend of the day, and execute on 5,3,1 minute. So mase ngitholile i-market maker buy or sell model yami ku 15 minutes, ngizoyehla ngiye ku-5 minutes nakhona ngibheke another market maker sell or market maker buy model then execute from yona so that i-stop loss sami sizoba sincane netho, so that my risk is small netho. So mara uma execute ku-15 minutes more usually i-risk yakho izoba high netho. So athi ngiveze-ke i-top down analysis into ekayo. So i-top down analysis, top down analysis. So sine-daily chart, daily chart or ama-candlestick waku-day. So si-expect-e ukuthi i-price iya phezulu, we expect long prices or higher prices, ngasho kanjalo. Okay, so it's not day one, day two bullish lama days lawa, bullish days, day 3, then sibe no day 4, 5. Okay, so day 1, no day 2, no day 3 bafome i-fair value gap. I hope niyayibona lapha. Uma ngabe uyayibona you can point it ngesandla sakho and uma uyibona kusho ukuthi uyafunda sha. So day 1, day 2 and day 3 azosifomela ini i-fair value gap angisho, abullish angisho lawo, then lawa engawafaki ink phakathi a-bearish na. Okay, so i-fair value gap nayo la, i-low of i-high of i-first candlestick, then i-low of the last of the third candlestick netho. Okay, so nayo i-fair value gap yethu FVG, then day 4 and 5 beba bearish, then sibe no day 6, day 6 as a bullish candle. Okay, sizoyibeka kahle. So ku-daily candles, ku-daily ne, daily chart, i-expectation ukuthi i-market i-bullish because sine-fair value gap lana bese sibe ne-buy side liquidity which is this one right here, that high. So into esiyi-expect-ile ukubona le candlestick lenzani liza laphaya or ama-candlestick ayi-2 aya laphaya ayo-clear-a ini i-buy side netho, into esiyi-expect-ile le, ngizoyiveza soon soon. Okay, so since si-expect-e i-long prices like this thing ne, let's say vele i-bullish candlestick lethu vele laba ngapha, yilo leli esili-expect-ile candle ne, this is what we are expecting netho, alikho si-expect-e lona. Then ku-4 hour, 4H athi ngibuyele si-expect-ele la candlestick ne, then ku-4 hour nali langa lethu yilo leli sesiliqalile, then ku-4 hour ngizo-drop-a down 4H chart, then ngiya ku-4 hour, then mangifika ku-4 hour ngizo-check-a ukuthi asinayo into engasiyisa khona laphaya netho. So nayo i-fair value gap yethu ne, so nayo fair value gap. Uma ngabe nikhumbula kahle ngithe i-daily candlestick lena 24 hours, so masi-divide ngo-4 kuzoba u-5 angithi azoba i-5, so kuzoba 5, 10, 15, 20, yeah, 4 azoba i-6, i-6, sorry guys, i-6. So i-candlestick le-daily li-1 lena 6 candlesticks le-4 hour nayithola. Okay, so ngizodrawa le move le from this candle to this new one, ne? From this to this new one. Okay, so that candle sinenteka I think it, okay, so sinenteka one, this is a bullish candle, sorry. Okay, bearish, bearish, multi 6, ne? Bearish, Louise, can't be. Then I look good, sorry. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, ne? Okay, so let 6 le is this candlestick right here, this one, night one. So this one now we're expecting to see this one, so lona lizoba into ezosiletha laphaya, night one. But i-pattern yakhona because i-bullish candlestick angisho, so i-pattern yakhona kamele kube into ekayo, so kamele kube ne-bearish candlestick, ne-bearish candlestick bese kuba i-bullish, ama-bullish candlestick, bullish, 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 sorry, one, two, then last one, nayithole kamele kube into ekayo or something similar to that. Nayithole kamele kube into ekayo, so kuzoba yini, i-bearish, bearish, then bullish, 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 then bullish. So it's now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So i-move esiyi-expectile on this day iyo le, nayithole. So la into ebhekayo nayo, so yini ezosisa phezulu, so sinale order block le, thingenze so, okay, so sinale order block le laphaya, ne? This one right here, and then yabona i-order block le bese kube nale fair value gap le la, uyayithola. So sesinama-confirmation awu-2, so it's confirmed there, uyayithola. Order block ne-fair value gap. So kusho ukuthi yiyo le besolinde i-price ibuye izothesta la bese ichubeke, uyayithola. So i-entry yethu beyizoba khona la somewhere la entry, then sitarget-e kuphi laphaya. But because nayi entry yethu nayi sesiyazi ukuthi sizongena la, but la i-4 hour and siyazi ukuthi ku-4 hour ilento yethu i-fair value gap yethu inkulu because iku-4 hours sizoyehla siye kuphi siye ku-1 hour. So ngizodrawa lento le, this point right there, lama candlestick lawa ayi-3 ayi-2 I mean, uyayithola. 4 hour, so nakhona okay ngizodrawa leli one le, so lona lizoba kanjani, lizoba ne-bearish 1 bese kube nama-bullish, bearish nama-bullish ayi-3, 2, 3. Okay, so i-fair value gap yethu maybe bekuzoba into icala laphaya izogcina somewhere la, niyabona inkulu lento le. So mawufika ku-1 hour so-uyayirefine-ke, uyayehlisa sekuzoba yile fair value gap yakho. So kusho ukuthi i-price mayibuya izobuyela phakathi kwaleya ka-1 hour. Mangabe ufila ngathi naleya ka-1 hour nayo inkulu, uzoyehla futhi uye kuphi, uye ku-15 minutes ufune another same thing efana nale, uyayithola. Then until uthole into ekujabulisayo, then mawufika ku-15 minutes, ku-15 minutes uzothola let's say nayi price seyayehla ku-1 hour, then mayifika la kule fair value gap le, this one, let's say nayi fair value gap yakhona, then uyayehla ku-15 minutes, ku-15 minutes uzobheka into ekayo, uyayithola. But before izoyenza le move le, this move, let's say 15 minutes now, say la i-price 15 minutes i-price ila iceda breaker la, uzomakha i-fair value gap yaku-15 minutes la, uyayithola. So ku-15 minutes oyimakhile i-fair value gap, then u-expect ukuthi i-price ibuye la, immediately mayibuye i-price uyayehla futhi uya ku-lower time frame ne, let's say 5 minutes, then nakhona uzobheka into ekayo, uyayithola, like into eso. Mangabe ufuna another refined entry okay, so maybe 15 minutes lo bese uyayehla uya ku-1 hour, ku-5 minutes, then mafika ku-5 minutes ubheke into eyenzeka, then before uzo-execute uya ku-1 minute, then nakhona futhi uzobheka into eyenzeka kanjalo, uyayithola, bese uya-execute-ke bese uyabhala, uyayithola. So ukurefine kahle kahle uyayehla ngama-time frame kancane kancane, uyehla, uyayithola. So into engizama ukuyiveza. So i-daily chart ilizokutshela ini, i-draw on liquidity, uyayithola, after i-market iceda uku-clear-a i-high, then after ukuthola i-draw on liquidity yakho ubheka ini, i-fair value gap ezokuyisa kuphi, kuyo leyo draw on liquidity, then uya ku-1 hour, then mawufika ku-1 hour uyayirefine le fair value gap yakho, uyenza ukuthi ibe yincane, then mase iyincane uyadropa futhi uya kuphi, uya ku-5 minutes, asimskiphe u-15 minutes, uya ku-5 minutes, then u-5 minutes ubheka ini, i-market maker, let's say i-buy, uzobheka i-market maker buy model, uyayithola. Then mase uyitholile i-market maker buy model uyayehla futhi uya kuphi, ku-1 minute or ku-3 minutes, uyobheka futhi enye futhi i-market maker buy model ehambelana nalela phezulu, then uya-execute-ke bese-ke so grand, mnandi, uyayithola. So yinto bengifuna ukuyiveza leyo namhlanje. So ama-trades wethu ahamba kahle. Angithi lento le ingecycle, so i-accumulation, i-manipulation, i-distribution. So isuka la ize la, then suke la ize la, then suke la ize la. Nayithola into ekayo vele. So this is what's happening. Accumulation, manipulation. So accumulation, manipulation, distribution. So distribute. Then kube accumulation, bese kuba accumulation, bese kuba manipulation, bese kuba distribution. Manipulation, distribution. So lana sinani sine candlestick eli-bearish. Nayithola bese lana sibe nani i-candlestick eli-bullish. Distribution. So yiyo le power of 3 guys. Kahle kahle sisuke masibheka i-market sisuke sifunana nento ekayo efomeka. Nayithola. Okay, so khona incwadi enginayo lana, I think ngizoyibhayisa le ncwadi le. Nga $3. So $3 maybe it's equivalent to 60 rand la or 55 rand la eSouth Africa. So leyo ncwadi leyo izokhavara everything le engiyenzile kulama videos lawo. So mangabe niyayifuna you can hit me up. Nayithola. Okay, so kune-process, step by step process sokutrader i-power of 3. Okay, sengiyaceda manje I'm about to be done. I'm about to finish. Okay, so we have process, 3-step process. So power of 3 ne? Power of 3. So how to trade power of 3 effectively. How to trade power of 3 effectively. And consistently. Nayithola. So sebenzisa ini i-3-step process. So the process le ivakayo 3-step. So that thing le iyenzeka almost every day. Angeke ngisho ukuthi every day nayithola. So step 1, uzolinda ukuthi i-market isweepe i-high noma isweepe i-low kuqala. Wait for a sweep of the high or the low method of the accumulation phase then masewuceda ukuyithola i-sweep, step 2 yeah. Then ku-step 2 uzolinda ukuthi i-market ikunikeze ini, market structure shift. Then le usually yenzeka kuma higher time frames. then uyadrop uya kuma-lower time frame, wait for i-market structure shift, structure shift. So mase uceda ukuthola i-market structure shift-ke, market structure shift, then-ke ungayobheka ama-entries wakho. Market structure shift obviously izokunikeza ini, i-fair value gap, because yenzeka during ini, i-manipulation phase. Market structure shift into accumulation, ayithi yele yaphuma manje seyizobuyela phakathi kwe-manipulation. So la ulinda for ini, i-sweep, so sithi i-rate, lana sithi yini, i-market structure shift, ne, market maker sell model or market maker buy model. Then step 3, ku-step 3 uzoseta i-buy limit or i-sell limit or manual execution phakathi kwe-fair value gap oyitholayo ku-market structure shift yakho, nayithola. Set i-limit present at present fair value gap or order block, ne, set i-limit yakho at present FVG or OB or IFVG, nayithola. Bese and watch, bese utargeta and target i-low le engakaswiphi or i-high le engakasiphi, yayithola. Bese uyalinda-ke, then uzoyibona-ke imihlolo yenzeka. So nikhumbule guys, si-trade i-market flow, asi-trade enye into, asi-trade ama-indicator, asi-trade ama-trend line, asi-trade i-support and resistance, si-trade i-market flow, and market flow imuva ngale power of 3, nayithola. Khona enye indlela angazi abazoyi-explain-a ngayo abanye abantu mangabe nibukela abanye abantu. So mina le indlela yami yoku-explain-a yonke lento le, nayithola. So the next video ngizobe ngikhuluma nge-trading plan, ukuthi i-trading plan ibaluleke kangakanani, nokujenala ama-trades wakho kubaluleke kangakanani. Then sengicedile-ke ngale series lena, then the next video engizoyi-drop-a after i-trading plan nokujenala kuzobe kuyi-video about the similar things to this ones, but sizobe sesiveza i-chart-ke lapho. So I hope you enjoyed these videos guys. So yeah, that's it for today. Thanks.